Sorry, Tina, that I forgot to make this video for you. So I'm doing it right now. Who knows how, whether you've turned it in or not, but I just saw your comment and I felt bad about it. So you get to see crazy hair me. But you said that you were having trouble with the complexity point. And the rest of these are pretty self explanatory. I've left it up here long enough for you to kind of pause it and take a look at some of the bullet points we came up with the class if you wanted. But scrolling down here to take a look at the complexity point. This is kind of the hardest one to accomplish. Very few people get it because you have to do more. That's basically what it is. As you can tell here, it says rather than simply explaining how something is similar or how something is just different when comparing, you explain how it is both similar and different when comparing. When you're talking about continuity and change over time, you talk about how a place or a state or whatever it may be, how yes, it changed, but then you also talk about how it stayed the same. Okay. So being able to cover both sides of it, being able to have balance in your answer, it wasn't just this one sided in history, it was both. Okay. So being able to do that is how you earn the complexity point. The rest of these are pretty simple. We'll work on thesis very specifically because that's important. So is contextual. I mean, it's all important, I guess, but theses are significantly important because it's I guess one way of looking at it is it's kind of like the engine on the train. The engine itself isn't everything. You need the cargo that follows behind it, but that cargo ain't going anywhere if the engine's not pulling it. I like metaphors. Who knows if they ever make sense to other people, but it's something I use a lot is metaphors. And so the rest of these pretty simple. Context we'll talk a little bit more about. We've kind of done that with happy. And then in terms of 3 and 4 with evidence and analysis and reasoning of that evidence, that's once again, how well can you apply happy? That's really is as simple as it gets. So there you go. I hope you're having a good evening. Sorry I didn't get this out earlier to you. I appreciate your work ethic. That's for sure. Sophie, oh, here. Let's see here. That's Sophie. Why are you running? Anyways, I was going to show you. Oh, there's Sophie. I can do this. Hi, Sophie. Okay. I get weird at night.